The tables moved separately, the head moved, spun. That was kind of the first of the day, turn the machine on home. There is a safety spring inside here to absorb the impact. If you were to program it wrong, or if there's an issue, something happens, so that if it runs into your mold, then instead of it bending or twisting or damaging, the spring will absorb the impact. If you add the risers in underneath, this bottom lip should be at about that height, approximately. You put the risers in down underneath there.